Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the alphabet A to Z. Also we will trace the numbers 1 to 10. Sky blue color, brown color, red color, black color, violet color, bottle green color and orange color. A is for alligator. B is for butter. C is for cat. D is for dahlia. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for heels. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for king. L is for lamb. M is for mint. N is for nest. O is for oval. P is for pigeon. Q is for quail. R is for rose. S is for strawberry. T is for tomato. U is for umbrella. V is for vulture. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zigzag. Now trace 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4. Let's trace number 5. Now it's time to trace number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, last number 10. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to practice this every day. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.